SRL Diagnostics is now Agilus Diagnostics.
A very good afternoon to everyone, members of the press. Arindam, thank you for making it. We were supposed to meet like 2 months ago when we were supposed to launch this then, but better late than never. We've always learned right from our school days that prevention is better than cure. When do we ever put that quote to good use? There cannot be a better time than this. I feel very proud to be associated with SRL Diagnostics and be the face for SRL Care. I just think that preventive healthcare is taken for granted, and people in this country and world over are more weight obsessed than health obsessed. And unfortunately, it always comes down to, I'm feeling okay. I won't really take any preventive measures or get any tests done unless I'm feeling not so good. Or then it reaches a certain point, or you reach a Rubicon where you're not able to reverse the ailment. So I just feel that in this time and age where you're seeing so many cases of cancer, diabetes, a lot of other, autoimmune diseases, issues, gut health issues as well. I think it's time that people become a little more responsible about their own health. And it's pretty much like, it's like an investment when you do or get your tests done. When you're earning money, you do think about saving, right? You think about investments because that's going to come to use for you later in life. The same with healthcare and preventive measures with, tests being done. It is like an investment for your future because you get to know, if you know how your health is while you are young. And the other thing that I want to address is also the fact that people feel that only after they reach maybe the ripe age of 60, then they need to get tests done. No. I want you to know that I've been doing tests from the age of 35, on a yearly basis. And it has nothing to do with how good or bad I feel. It is just something that has become a lifestyle. And that lifestyle pattern to inculcate will take time, I'm sure. But please start it better sooner than later. And unfortunately, health is not valued until sickness comes. So don't reach that stage. So I feel really happy that this has come into the foray, and with SRL Care being one of the foremost leaders in the market, I urge more people to take care of themselves, and I have taken it upon myself to be a catalyst in this field of health and wellness. So I feel very happy to be associated. Thank you so very much for calling upon me. And I guarantee you just one thing, that it will definitely reduce the prevalence of lifestyle and lifestyle diseases, and definitely help you live longer with healthier choices. So thank you very much for being here.